The best gingerbread cookies, a classic holiday treat. Is it even Christmas without the smell of warm gingerbread cookies filling the house? These festive little treats are the holiday MVPs, spiced, soft, chewy, and perfectly decorated. But did you know gingerbread goes way back? We're talking ancient times. Ginger was once a prized spice, loved not just for its flavor, but also for its medicinal powers. Fast forward to 16th century England, and Queen Elizabeth I had the genius idea to decorate cookies shaped like people to impress her royal guests. Yes, she practically invented the gingerbread man. Since then, gingerbread has been at the heart of Christmas celebrations, evolving into cookies, cakes, and even magical gingerbread houses that look straight out of a fairy tale. Now it's your turn to bake up a batch of these Christmas classics. Let's get started. Dry ingredients: 3 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon ground ginger, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Wet ingredients: 3/4 cup unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 cup dark brown sugar, 2/3 cup molasses, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Instructions: 1. Mix up the spices. Grab a bowl and whisk together the flour, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, baking soda, and salt. Your kitchen already smells amazing, right? 2. Cream that butter and sugar. In a big bowl, beat the butter and brown sugar until they're light and fluffy. Think clouds of cookie happiness. 3. Pour in the star ingredient, the molasses. Sticky but worth it, the egg and vanilla extract. Mix until smooth. It'll look dark and rich, just how we like it. 4. Make the dough. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet mix and watch the magic happen. The dough will come together beautifully. Soft, spiced perfection. 5. Chill out. Divide the dough into 2 discs, wrap in plastic, and chill for at least 1 hour. Yes, we know waiting is hard, but chilling makes it easier to roll and cut and keeps the shapes perfect. 6. Time to roll. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees or 175 degrees Celsius. Flour your work surface, grab a rolling pin, and roll out the dough to 1/4 inch thickness. 7. Enter the cookie cutters. Once the dough is ready, use your favorite cutters, gingerbread people, snowflakes, or stars, and begin cutting into various shapes. 6. Bake those beauties. Place the cookies on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for 8-10 minutes. Soft and chewy or crisp? You decide. Let them cool on the tray for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. 7. Get creative. This is where the fun really begins. Once the cookies are completely cooled, decorate them with royal icing, candies, sprinkles. Go wild. Your gingerbread cookies, your rules. There's something magical about biting into a homemade gingerbread cookie. The mix of warm spices, sweet molasses, and that little bit of holiday joy in every bite. So roll up your sleeves, gather your loved ones, and bake up a batch of these timeless treats.